If this video found you, it found you for a reason, because there is a warning that you need to heed, and I want you to pay attention. Whatever comes next, you must move in silence. I want you to keep what happens next to yourself, because at this point, people are going to ruin it. There are people in your life that don't have the best intentions for you, and this isn't a fearmonger. People genuinely ruin things because they're petty or they're jealous or they want you to stay stuck in the same place that they are. They don't want you to grow because it's a threat to their identity and how they operate in a way that is very victim mentality. So they're stuck, and you bettering your life shows them that they're not. So I don't want you to tell people about these things because they will ruin it. Keep it to yourself. Play it close to your chest and just enjoy calling in whatever you are trying to do at this time that is worth celebrating. It's different for everybody, but there's so much to be proud of and to be happy for. And I do want you to celebrate. But right now, in the midst of it, don't let anyone taint what you are working on. It feels too good to let anyone sully it. When it happens, then do what you need to do. Tell everyone, scream it from the rooftops. But in the meantime, keep it very much to yourself while you're doing this, because the people who manifest big things are the ones who move in silence. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope that it resonated and you know who I'm talking about. This new chapter is about you being around people who are supportive so that you can tell them these things. But right now, that's what you're working towards. So don't let anyone come at you. Don't let anyone criticize you or misunderstand you. Don't feel the need to over-explain yourself to people or to defend your position. This is why it's important to just be silent, to know when to keep your mouth shut and to keep things to yourself. And then you can celebrate. All right. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. I hope that you're followed for more. I hope that this was helpful. If it was, hit that like button. If you want to support this channel, there's some options linked in the description. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video.